How to import tokens in MetaMask. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import tokens. First of all, open the application. Now here in the home page, you'll be able to see the option called import tokens. Simply tap on import tokens. So it will take some time. Now on the top at the search bar, you can search for the token that you want to import. So first search the token here, and here on the left hand side you can see this tick button. Simply tap on the one that you want to import. Here tap on next. So these are the inputted ones or the ones that you have selected. Here on the right hand side you can see this import button. Tap on import. So it will take some time, and as you can see it has been imported. Now you can see it and know the currency and the value. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.